Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn presentation files with Google Drive. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account with your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the featured section on your profile page. In the featured section, find the presentation files you wish to back up. Click on the presentation file to open it. Look for the three dots or options icon, usually located at the top right of the presentation. From the drop-down menu, select Download to save the presentation file to your computer. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, and then click Save. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you haven't signed in yet, log in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the plus new button on the left side. From the menu, select File Upload. A file dialog box will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your LinkedIn presentation file. Select the presentation file and click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You will see a progress bar at the bottom right. Once uploaded, you can find your presentation file in your Google Drive. Optionally, you can create a folder in Google Drive to organize your presentations. To create a folder, click on the plus new button again and select Folder. Name the folder and click Create. You can then drag and drop your uploaded presentation file into the new folder. Now your LinkedIn presentation file is safely backed up in Google Drive. You can access it from any device with internet connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.